Hey everybody, welcome to your 70/30 course Informatics, and I'm excited, I really am, to be teaching this course. The person who taught it before, yes, my husband, Perry Gee, he is an informaticist, and he has a lot of research for the past 20 some years in informatics. And I did take this course over, but I really do have experience in informatics. For several years, I worked at Intermountain Healthcare, and I was a knowledge engineer, and it was a lot of data management. And that's the thing that I want you to realize. I think oftentimes the first thing people think of when they hear informatics is computer or technology. Technology, that is true, but it is really about data management. And in this course, you are going to learn the fundamentals of informatics. The important thing about that is you can take those concepts and those ideas then and really put it into lots of different buckets. Sometimes what you'll see with certain informatics specialists is that they get highly trained, which is awesome. We need that. But like in one system, like ICERNA or EPIC, and when I'm talking about EHRs, or other types of technological systems as well. So then when they go to another healthcare system, it takes a minute to get that learning curve up and going. So anyways, we're really going to focus on the basic fundamental concepts, and we are really focusing on data management, okay, and the theory behind that as well. The other thing about this and the DNP is we all understand that this is a practice degree or a translational degree, the DNP is. And what it's all about is you guys are honing your leadership skills and your communication skills to get that broad perspective of being able to translate this research or this evidence into the practice and help guide that. So it's really kind of cool. Something that's kind of funny is, when you think about the internet, so some of you young guys, the internet really, it was only developed in the early 80s. And yes, I was practicing in the ICU then. It's like, this is really cool. And I just have to say, it's just incredible, the internet now and all the data that is out there and that we can grab. Yes, some of it is like, well, kind of crazy stuff. But other stuff is like the big data sets that you guys will be seeing in the population health course and things like that. So, and in this course as well. So anyways, I just kind of wanted to give you a quick overview. At the doctoral level, I do have to tell you, I expect great writing skills, thoughts, concepts, clear, concise, all those types of things when you're writing. The written word is very critical. When you go into your course with the modules, don't ignore the dates. I haven't set them up yet, but you will have Unit A through Unit E. And there is a lot of reading, and you will read primarily from your book and other internet sites as well. And that's just to be expected, in grad school, period. I will try to do the best I can to make sure that you are not overwhelmed with assignments while you're taking your other course or courses. I'll try to integrate that in with the other faculty. So anyways, again, I'm excited to be teaching this. I really am. And I am always available on my email and my cell phone, and which is listed in the introduction piece of this course. If you have any questions, make sure you let me know. All right, see you out there.